Hey there, I'm Sneha and you are watching my channel Book Junction. Welcome to today's video. So I did some stationery shopping for my birthday and I thought since you guys love stationery so much, I should share it with you. So there are a total of 7 items for this video and everything is bought from Amazon. So if you want to buy them, you can definitely check the links that I will give in the description box. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started with today's video and I really hope that you will enjoy it. If you do, then definitely consider subscribing if you haven't already and hit the like button. So yeah, now let's get started. So the first item is this Camlin brush pen set. There are 24 shades in this one, 12 warm shades and 12 cool shades. Now I already have these Staedtler brush pens, but since I practiced so much with those that the tip of those pens got a little frayed, so that's why I had to buy a new set and I thought let's try this one. And I really love this, by the way. The tip and the quality, everything is absolutely premium. So this is how the pen looks like and the quality is amazing. It's really good while you're holding it, like the grip is amazing. It's not too thin and its tip is very fine, so that helps a lot, and it's very flexible as well. Anyway, so next I'll show you all the swatches and you can see that the colors are very pigmented and they flow very effortlessly, and I really love the colors, by the way. The colors are beautiful. Next I bought this set of neon color pens. These are gel pens but in various different colors and shades, and there are a total of 48 shades in this pack. Now this is a made in China product. I did not see this while I was ordering it, but it is sold by an Indian seller, Padma Publications. So it completely depends on you what you think is morally right to do. I didn't know that it was a made in China product. Anyway, so this is what the pen looks like. Honestly, the quality is not very premium when it comes to the outer packaging of this gel pen. It's very basic and it's quite flimsy, honestly. But anyway, there are 4 kinds of pens in this set. Glitter, neon, simple matte finish and a little pastely. So yeah, but however the pens are extremely pigmented and they flow effortlessly. I love the quality of the ink actually, so that's a great thing. And these are all the shades. So as you can see, there are so many different shades, and even though they might look similar, but when you draw or write side by side, you will see that they are very different from one another. Next I bought this marble print journal, and this is the first time I bought a journal for myself. Before this I used to use simple notebooks for journaling, but finally I thought I should invest in a journal because I journal honestly very frequently and very regularly, so I thought I kind of owe it to myself. And I bought a journal with dotted pages because it's very convenient to write with dotted pages. and I've already started using it. This is the cover for my October journal bullet journal spread, and I love this actually. And because of the dotted thing, it's very easy to determine and figure out the length or the height of the thing that you will write, and the quality is amazing. The pages are really thick. Next, I bought a set of 4 canvases and I really love these. The quality is so good. I did not expect that the quality will be so nice, and the surface is absolutely perfect for oil paintings and acrylic paintings, and you can get this framed as well, but I'm not planning to frame any of my paintings. So this is the thickness of the canvas and I am absolutely in love with this one. If you're wondering the size of this canvas, it's 8 inches into 10 inches. Next, I bought this pen stand, and this is clearly my favorite stationery item in this entire haul. Now, I was looking for a pen stand because if you watch my videos, you would know that I use the coffee mugs that were given to me by my friends as pen stands, and honestly I was about to break one of them, and so that's why I bought a pen stand. And this is so amazing because it rotates and there are some pages inside it and a post-it note, so that's like an additional benefit of it. And then there are some flags on it and I love it. It looks so cute and so professional, and just it adds to the vibe of my the setup that I have. So that's why I really love it, and you can fit in a lot of things actually, and even after putting in stuff you can rotate it and use the post-it and the pages. So overall I am in love with this one. It looks so cute and perfect. So yeah, this is definitely my favorite. Next, I bought this whiteboard, and this is in the size 1 into 1.5 feet. So the size is perfect. It's not too big, not too small, just the right size, and I love it. And you can either hang it in this way or you can hang it in a landscape manner. So it completely depends on you. And they give these screws with the board, so that's a great thing. You can get it fixed to the wall. Next, I bought this set of a duster and 2 markers for the whiteboard, and trust me, I was really surprised with the way it was packed and everything, and the quality is again so nice and premium. It looks so good, so I'm really happy with this product. So as you can see that the packaging is so nice. It comes in this one pack and it opens from here, and there are 2 colors, a black marker and a blue marker, and I think that's quite enough. So I really love this entire thing. And by the way, these markers can be refilled when the ink is finished, so that's a great thing again. And then you can just close the lid and use this as a duster. I really loved this, honestly. So yeah, and well, the marker works just fine, just like how markers work. I don't really think I have to say anything about that. So yeah, overall I'm so happy with both the duster set and this whiteboard. I always wanted a whiteboard because it really helps when you are planning a video, because I add so many different kinds of clips in my videos. So that's why I ordered this whiteboard, and I'm really happy. This was my dream to have a whiteboard. So yeah. By the way, please ignore my pathetic handwriting over here. I'm still not quite used to writing on the whiteboard. So yeah, just please ignore. Alright guys, so that was all for today's video. I really hope that you found this video valuable and enjoyed it. If you did, then definitely like, share and subscribe to my channel, and definitely click on the bell icon so you are notified with all the further updates, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.